Ready to level up your map designs and add seriously cool depth with just a few clicks in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by opening your flat map in Illustrator. Ensure it's a vector image. Raster images might not work as well. Now, select the entire map. We'll use the transform effect. Go to Effect, then 3D and Materials, then Extrude and Bevel. This is where the magic happens. In the dialog box, under Position, start by selecting Isometric Top. This or any of the isometric options will give you that angled perspective. Now let's adjust the perspective to give your map that classic isometric look. You will be able to control the depth as well with Extrude Depth, which will make your map more three-dimensional. Experiment with these settings, and don't be afraid to go back and tweak them. To make your map even more dynamic, add different levels for various land masses. For example, bring those mountains in a bit closer by selecting the specific shapes and adjust the extrude depth for a visual hierarchy. Once you're happy with the look, click OK, and just like that, you've transformed a flat map into an isometric masterpiece. This technique is perfect for adding visual pop to infographics, presentations, or just to impress people. Share your isometric creations.